What's going on, everybody? This is Art with Pro Italia, here to introduce the new 2027 Aprilia RS 660 factory in the shakedown yellow. Do me a favor, you guys, when you call, when you text, whatever the case is, ask for Art. We do have a couple of other salespeople here, but it does mean a lot that you guys are reaching out and asking for Art, as it helps me to make these videos for you guys. So whether it be Cycle Trader, Moto Hunt, even our own website, come and check it out. Or you can reach me directly at 747-295-9808. And I'd be more than happy to help you guys in any way which possible. But just wanted to introduce the new 2027s, the new color that they added. Beautiful metallic yellow with some metallic black, some matte. And to give it that, well, to me, kind of like a shark fin type of thing going on. But beautiful bike. Obviously with the Öhlins front and rear. Let's go. Ooh. Crazy bike. Come by, check it out, you guys. We are more than welcome to do test rides. They added some cool features from the previous, from 24s and prior. Better TFT display. Again, check it out. Ask for Art. We're always happy to help. Any questions? Here we are. Thank you and have a great day.